Hi everyone, welcome back. So in this video, I'm gonna share with you how to add the 20 and the 50 SMA on MetaTrader 5 mobile app. So just follow me and follow the steps. It's so easy and simple. So first of all, open your MetaTrader 5, then click on this icon right here. Then click on F plus and go to moving average. Okay, it's under trend. Click on it. Then here on period, make sure you type 20. And here on method, make sure you choose simple. And we have here style. This is for the thickness of your SMA. So let's choose, for example, 2. And this one is the color. So let's choose, for example, brown. Click on save. Let's go back. And as you can see, this is the 20 SMA. Now let's add the 50 SMA. Click on this icon again. F plus, moving average, and type here 50. Okay, like this. This one is on simple, on method. The thickness I will keep 2 pixel and the color I will change it, for example, to green, and click on save. Let's go back, and as you can see here, this is the 50 and this is the 20. Okay, and that's it. So I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to give us a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and see you on the next one.